Welcome back to Mumford Restoration, and again we're looking at the things coming in or going out of the shop, and this is a really cool project. But before we talk about that, please go to our site mumfordrestoration.com or our YouTube channel and take a look at some of the things that we restore. These are one of the most beautiful sets of andirons that we've worked on. They were obviously very tarnished. You'll see some of the before photos, and they were also bent in different areas just over the age. They are probably 1805, 1810. Very well handmade. You can see the iron parts to hold the logs in the background, and then we've got, you know, a handmade shovel and the tongs. And so these are just really impressive. They're going to be going to a historic home here in North Carolina, and I think that we'll be really proud to show, wow, these things look so much better. Really what bright brass is supposed to look like, and phenomenal result. Thanks for watching.